Alright guys, so what we got going on today, just a little bit of quick cleaning up. Basically, we're adjusting the pedal box to go from a electronic throttle body down to a cable-driven throttle body. So we got the stuff for that. We'll show that in a second. And then basically we're just kind of cleaning up things for now. Just a little bit of maintenance until we can get bigger stuff installed. We're still waiting to get the clutch. We're still waiting to get Mega Squirt, right? We're going Mega Squirt. Yeah, the standalone. And then yeah, I think after welding up some mounts, the J will permanently find its home. But yeah, today we're just doing minor stuff, so stay tuned. So this is the plate that the electronic pedal bolted to bolt up into the car, and we're basically shaving off those bolts so we can drill and mount the mechanical one onto that so we can install this back into the car. Basically we're just going to drill it out and put a bolt in. Cool.
Some bolts.
Yeah, so we just drilled out the holes for the plate to mount up this bad boy. Moving forward. Alright, so we found a couple bolts to put on here, and it won't stick out. As you can see, it's kind of got raised points there, but yeah, now we're going to be mounting this in the car here momentarily. Cool. Is that just how short that top one is? Because the bottom one sank through quite a bit, but the top one didn't.
There's different lengths.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. I like on the mechanical ones, like the actual pedal itself kind of tilts down too. Oh yeah, it tilts forward.
Now I can throw it back in the car.
To see where we need to put a hole.
So this is just hitting up on top of your pedal box. I'm just gonna notch that out.
Cool.
Should work. Yeah, so we just notched this out right here because it's hitting just up inside the pedal box just a little bit. So
cool.
That should be enough clearance.
We'll see here in a sec. Thinking.
All right. So what we're gonna do here is just go ahead and just cut this whole arm off. It's completely in the way, and I don't think we need it. We'll use a stop down here, and should be all right. I don't see why not. All right, guys. Not sure how well you guys can see up there. All right, guys. We have the gas pedal kind of lined up where we need it. All that's about to get bolted down after we drill the hole in the firewall for the cable. It's kind of going to go right between the fuel lines, or the brake lines rather, right there. So should be all right. Yeah, if I move this, you can kind of see our pilot hole there. We'll just drill a hole big enough for the grommet on the throttle cable. Be able to get all that done. Still got to clean up down here. Looks real dirty. We'll get all that cleaned up. And then here soon we'll be figuring out how we want to do the mounts for the motor, and hopefully permanently get it bolted in. Still waiting on a clutch though. Once we get a clutch on there though, we can bolt it in there and get this thing ready to go.
Yeah, for sure. Being able to start up would be nice.
Yeah, for sure. Even like without the turbo, it'll still be cool.
Right. That's what
You can see right there, we got the the hole drilled out for the grommet for the throttle cable. We'll have to figure out what throttle cable we're going to go with. But
Indeed.
that's out of the way. We can get the pedal bolted in now. We can get the master cylinder bolted all back up. Get all that done.
Yep.
We can start moving on to more fun stuff.
Yeah. Once we start getting the bigger stuff in, it'll be...
Yeah. It'll be good. It'll be good.
Yeah. Yeah, because then we can get the clutch in, we can get the computer in, and we can start pinning that, so...
Right. Yeah, we're still need new gaskets on this guy. Clean all that out. It needs valve cover gaskets.
Yeah, do a little motor maintenance.
Get all that knocked out, no big deal. Should be able to get her in there and see how long it takes us to get it to fire. We still need to figure out, once we get it in there, we'll figure out the hood situation.
Yes, that's going to be so much fun.
Seeing what we got to do to make that fit.
I mean, once we get the motor in, it'll be sitting there, right? And
Yeah.
we can basically get a rough guesstimate of where the hood's going to sit, and we can see if we need to notch or how much to notch. And
Yeah, we'll get it to fit.
Right.
It doesn't look like it's going to be too bad.
No, I can't. The hood scoop on that thing is like as
Massive.
wide as the damn car.
Right, it's massive. It gives us tons of room, fortunately.
Right. Yeah, I mean, we're moving along.
We gotta figure out what we gotta do with the slave cylinder. Because right now it will not fit with the plate. We have some things in mind. We probably just need to go with the
push style.
Yeah, the hydraulic throw out, and that'll be good. But we have some things in mind that might get us by for now. We'll see. We'll see. I really need to clean the engine bay still. That'd be nice.
Yeah, that would be. Once we get it outside, we can do that.
Yeah, we can power wash it or something. If we're looking pretty good. There's the pedal again. Looks like it's supposed to be there. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Yeah, once we get the standalone, we can really start working on get a harness built for it.
Yeah.
That'll be cool.
That's gonna be so much fun.
Getting the gauge cluster to work, which I don't think will be too bad.
No, from everything we've read and forums and what we've found scouring the internet, like
it shouldn't be too bad.
Yeah, I mean, even doing the tack it's a simple input, so that should be super easy to do.
Right.
And that was my biggest thing, is I just wanted to make sure the tack worked.
Right.
Like speedometer, okay. The gas gauge, that's probably useful.
Right. I mean, that all should work, because I would assume this goes off the ascending unit in the tank and stuff like that.
Right.
So we should be all right. That is a K series all-wheel drive transmission. That is a K series. That is a CRX. I don't know if you guys want to do the math on that or not, but it's all there.
1 = fish.
There's also a differential over there too. So drive
once
it.
we can get the clutch in, we can get the starter bolted up, we can get that hole tapped, get the starter on, make sure everything all that's good, get the engine in, bolted finally to the trans, and then I mean we can block a wood jack to give it a little bit of support, but I mean when we had it in before, the transmission was holding it up just fine.
Right.
I mean it's not moving, so it's not like a big deal.
Right. Right.
So, and then that'll give us a good kind of guesstimate to where we need to put mounts and run headers and stuff like that.
Oh, we're gonna need to lengthen the steering rod. Not a big deal. It's pretty simple to do. Guys, I think that's gonna be it for today. We didn't get. Doesn't feel like we got a whole lot done, but we made some progress, and I mean we're getting somewhere with it. The goal is to be out there by Streetcar Takeover. That's
October, yeah.
October 13th. It's probably not gonna be turbo by then, but I mean.
Our goal is running.
Right.
Running and moving under its own power. That's all I want.
Right. I want to
turbo will come later.
Right. I want to be able to make at least like a pass or two in it. That'd be phenomenal.
Oh yeah, that's like ultimate goal. But even be able to get it out there is like.
Right. If we can get it out there, it can go down the track. Like I don't see a
Once.
big difference.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.